properties also. As you can see on the screen, property location is by elevations and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. ID at check-in. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Activities of rooms are available online.